In the last class, we discussed different persons can have different goals, and whatever the important for one, that may not be important for another. So, in some cases, that may be in destructive way. Already we discussed. Already we discussed different personalities, their professions, their aspirations. By observing that, for example, you see the landless laborer aspiration is the getting better wages, and the prosperous farmer aspiration is to get good price for his crops, and the rural urban unemployee aspiration is to get a good job. So in all these aspirations there is a one common thing. What is that common thing? So the common thing is to reach their aspiration, so they need to better wages, better income of better salary of the job, good price for the crop. In that, the common thing is income. So they all are seeking for good income. So today we are going to discuss income and other goals. So the income and other goals. So by doing regular work, better wages, decent price, and better price for the crops, decent price for the crops. So these all are the aspirations of the different personalities. So along with this income, so the human beings are not only seeking for better income, but there are also some other things are important. So what are they? You see here the equal treatment. So wherever you are living, there always you should expect from equal treatment from the society. So freedom, security, and respect from others. These other things are also very important apart from the income. So the income, that means money. So money cannot be buy all the things. Of course, by using money we can purchase many of the things. We can enjoy luxurious life, but sometimes the money may not be purchased, may not be buy some of other things. So that also very important in our life. So the material things and non-material things. Here the material things we can purchase by using the money, material things. By using that material things we can enjoy quality of life. So we can improve our quality of life. So the quality of life is not only depending upon the material things, but also non-material things. So these non-material thing means wherever you are working, so there always you should expect, you need to freedom, you need to more security. So you need to no discrimination in the society. Such type of the other things are also very important. Sometimes even a company offer good salary for you if there is following any discrimination, if there is no freedom, if there is no job security. So you may not be choose such kind of the job even though the salary is more. That means here even though the income is more, we are giving priority other than income to the non-material things. So example, you see here one person, so one of the person got two kinds of the jobs. So we are, whenever he is going to join in the job, he is thinking about of the futures of the two kinds of the jobs. So here the table is there. So one of the job is very far of the place. So that job is very far of the place. So that company is offering more salary. And another job that is very near to our village, they are offering very low salary. So at where the job is very far of the place, there is the no job security. Even though more salary they are offering, there is no job security. So we are unable to go with family there to do the job. So we have to leave our family in our village and we alone go to the workplace. There we have to do the work by leaving our family alone in the village. So by doing that kind of the job, there is no security to your family and also no security for your job. There is no guarantee for your regular income of the salary. So where another job that is very nearby to your village, of course they are offering very low salary, but here that job site is very near to your village. So by having very near, you can spend more time with your family by doing job in that company. So here at this company, the environment is also very beautiful as compared to other place, far of the place. So there is a very less pollution. So and also here the job security is also there. So by having such kinds of the futures, you can exercise. We can exercise whenever we are going to join in the job. So at that time, the two factors are important. So here in first job, the income is more. In second job, the income is less. In first job, other things are very less. At second job, other things are very more. So if a person give more important for money, that person can join in this first job. If a person not only giving important for income, but also along with other things, such kind of the person 100% join in this second job, because here even though low income, they have lot of facilities, job security, so comfortable life, living with family, spending more time with the family. So by having all these futures, many of the people select such kind of the job. So by observing all these, so what we have to understand is the income is not only important, along with that income, other things like equal treatment, freedom, security, no discrimination in the society. So such all things are very very important in our part of life. So by having all these, we can enjoy our quality of life only. So the next one is the people look at a mix of goals. So it is very very important. So the people look at a mix of goal means, for example, in our families, the most of the women are permitted to household work only. So they are rendering lot of services to their household work. So bringing up the children, cooking, washing the clothes, so maintenance of the house perfectly. So these all unpaid work doing by the women. If we give some of freedom to the woman, she empowered to do the work outside the home. That means so she is also capable to work in paid work or paid job. So when she joined in the paid job, so she become economically empowered, and also she get social respect from the society, self-respect, social respect from the society, and dignity of the family, and along with all that, income status of the family will also increase. By increasing the income status of the family, so they can provide better facilities to their children. So that, so as a human beings, so we should encourage the women provide the better environment to do the work outside the home for women, then automatically they show their talent to do in different kinds of the job to develop the not only family but also society but also nation. So this is about the mix of goals. Thank you.